Hi, I'm glad you're here. This topic is a tongue twister without using gender-specific language, so I'm going to use she when I talk about a domestic violence survivor and he when I talk about a batterer, but it can be the other way around, and same-sex violence also happens. When people think about domestic violence, they usually think about it as a crime, an issue for law enforcement and the criminal justice system. While it absolutely is a crime, it impacts people in so many other ways as well. One of the most common ways a survivor is impacted by domestic violence is her health. American women experience 2 million injuries from domestic violence each year, and domestic violence is the leading cause of injury to women. Domestic violence is also linked to a wide range of health issues, including miscarriages, due in part to the fact that 25 to 37% of women are battered while pregnant. Also, sexually transmitted infections, stroke, heart disease, problem drinking, depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Domestic violence often impacts the survivor's finances as well. For survivors who work outside the home, domestic violence causes nearly 8 million days of lost work per year. Work productivity is often impacted as well due to stress, fear, and head injuries, and reduced productivity can put a worker's job at risk. Perpetrators jailed for their crime often lose their income, which impacts the rest of their family. And when a survivor removes herself and her children from a violent home, they often do so without any money. Then there are the children caught in domestic violence. Over 15 million American children live in families in which domestic violence occurred at least once in the past year. 7 million children live in families where severe domestic violence occurred. And between 30 and 60% of perpetrators of domestic violence also abuse children in the household. Children who witness or experience violence often have a hard time concentrating and are more likely to struggle in school. They often have low self-esteem and limited conflict resolution and problem-solving skills. Many have trouble sleeping and often regress, withdraw, or act out in violent ways themselves. The combination of violence, displacement, separation from one parent, divorce, and custody battles can have profound and lifelong effects on children.